Well, guys and gals, as George would say, it's been a long time. Too long. Been wanting to make some videos, but just haven't taken the time to do it. But today I was out getting a ride in on each one of my sleds, and I just thought I would let you take a look at them. I'll give you an update on what's going on here in my garage, and we'll go from there. So here's the classic, as y'all know. It's the one that I refurbished last year. Well, it wasn't total refurbishment, but I just put a reverse kit in it and just took it out for a spin. Not a whole lot of snow here in northwest Ohio, and I don't know, we got maybe a couple inches, 2-3, and it's blowing real hard today, so it's drifting. But tomorrow it's supposed to get above freezing. Next 3 or 4 days get up above freezing, up to almost 55 degrees, I guess, so it'll be gone. But anyway, we've this is the Scorpion, the Sidewinder. Took it out yesterday. Had a good, nice ride with it. Run good. And this one, you remember the Polaris Custom 2. Got it out. I didn't get it out this snow, but the last snow we had. Ran like a champ. And then this is the Indy Trail that I just took out today too. It run good. Got a new battery for it, and so got it running. Anyway, new things. Well, this is new. I just bought this last weekend. This is called a Sled Jack. And this thing slides underneath your snowmobiles, and then it's got a screw jack on it here that you're supposed to be able to put a drill on it and make it go up and down. Well, I did that, and my drill must not be strong enough. And it's even a corded drill. So what we're going to do is fabricate a crank for it, and this is what I got. You can see this deal. This is an old ice auger here that I got, and well, the blade of it needs replaced. So it's just held on with a couple bolts, so I'm going to take those off, take this whole blade assembly off, and then I'm going to fabricate a piece of steel and weld on an adapter there for a socket to be able to put on that screw drill, or screw jack, and then we'll be able to manually lift it. But that's kind of cool because I can raise my sled up about 18 inches or so, and it gets it right up at waist level to work on, and it's got the wheels on it, so you can easily do it like it is now. And that's what reason I got it, because I've got studs and carbides on this, and I don't like it gouging the floor up. You can kind of see what it's done already, scratches, and I put it into reverse and bring it back in here and spin the track one time, and boy, oh boy, makes a mess on the concrete. So that's the plan with that. Had a lot going on this summer. Got involved with outboard motors and boats. And I didn't make any videos. I wanted to do that, and I just never did. I will get one up this summer. I bought a little 12-foot boat, and came with this Minn Kota trolling motor and that 5.5 horse Evinrude. That's a 1959. I had to go clear through it because it was a mess. Got it running, but it just didn't run like I wanted it to, not enough speed. So I ended up buying a 9.9 Evinrude, and I think that's a 69. So that runs nice, real nice. But other than that, the boat, I haven't done much back here. Everything is still the same. And busy this summer, doing so many different things. And just walking around back here. I don't know if you saw this trailer or not. This is a new snowmobile trailer that I bought last spring, I guess it was. And I like it because it's got the square top on it. It isn't at an angle like my other one was, and so I can put four-wheelers and stuff in that to haul it. And we're planning on going up north here in a couple weeks with it. So I got new tires and new bearings. I packed everything and everything. So it's ready to go. The old truck's been working good. I got a cap for it. It don't fit real good, but it was free. So free works for me. And but anyway, it needs a good bath. But this is my wood. Cutting a bunch of wood. Gone through quite a bit of it already. A little windy out here. This is the boat. 12-footer. Got a trailer with it. Repainted the trailer. New bearings. The tires were new when I got it. The boat needed totally redone. I put the bows on it. Got a new cover for it. Trailer jack. And you'd have to see the inside. I got it all decked out. So that's kind of my toy that I got involved with this summer. And next summer I look forward to using it even more. So anyway, that's the update here at the Snowking55 ranch. We've been doing a lot of work on mowers and things of that this summer, and just stayed busy doing a lot of grass cutting and all kinds of stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'm just starting to ramble here, and we'll get you some more updates as I go. In fact, I'm planning on going up to a vintage snowmobile show here in the 27th of January. And so if I get up there, I'll take some video of that, and we'll put it on YouTube. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and we'll see you then.